Hello guys, so this is the behind the scenes of the making of this ball wedding dress. This is the lace we'll be using for the bodice part of the dress. We went ahead to complete the bodice because we had a very short time in completing the entire wedding dress. This is the bottom part of the dress as well. We did some pleating and we fixed a band because we were going for a two-piece wedding dress. But later we had to take the band off because it looked better put together. We did some draping on the neckline to add some details. So here we are getting it ready for fitting. And this is how the wedding dress turned out. And here are some other variations of the neckline as well. Thanks for watching. You can check out our other tutorials. See you in the next video.